What are the benefits of WPC, slat, and flat wall panels? So behind me you can see flat and slat wall panels. The main advantage of this material, normally it's installed on the walls and on the ceilings, is that it's very easy to work with. It's cheaper than, let's say, you just install drywall. Now you need to mud the drywall. Now you need to sand the drywall. Now you need to prime the drywall. Now you need to paint it. So all this involves a lot of labor. Labor is expensive in Hawaii. Where putting panels like this, it doesn't require any of those steps. They can be put directly on the concrete wall. They can be directly on the drywall. Sometimes I've seen it's being installed even on the frame. So this saves a lot of time and it's cost effective. That's the first advantage. Second, WPC panels are made from plastic, which means they're very durable and termites don't eat them. They're waterproof, which is very good for Hawaii because we have a lot of termites and we have problems with high humidity. And also compared to wood, at least that's from my personal experience, vinyl is much easier to clean because the surface is smooth and you can just take like microfiber towel and just clean it. And especially with those panels, flat ones, if you're using them in the commercial environment, you can just spray them with water and use a squeegee to take the water off, which makes them very easy to clean long-wise. And also the designs are just gorgeous, so which means in just a couple of hours or couple of days, you can change the way your space looks drastically. It becomes more durable, it becomes easier to clean. Most of the times, those panels are used to make accent walls or hidden door, so they serve as a decor element to make your place look much nicer.